Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have three different phenol. P is phenol, Q is metanitrophenol, R is paranitrophenol. You should arrange these compounds by its acidity order. Here acidity defined by the anion stability, because once it loses the H plus, anion will form in any acid system. So anion stabilizing species will be the more acidic compound. So phenol is a neutral one. Let us look at R and Q. If you look at the after losing the H plus, the O minus travel, the anion form near the nitro group, which is more stable. So quick release of H plus, it is more acidic. If you look at the Q, anion also form, but it away from nitrogen, so it is less acidic. Because anion is less stabilized, so it is less acidic. So obviously the order will be R, Q and P. The concept you have to learn here is mesomeric effect is dominant. Here it decides the acidity, not the inductive effect of the nitro group. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.